Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I turned you on a little bit late. We already got started because I kind of forgot, but we had some fellas walk into the office this morning and want some trucks stacked, so here we are. You said you're taking these to Honduras?
Yeah.
You're gonna be the pimps of the town, ain't you?
Huh?
You're gonna be pimps down there in Honduras with these, ain't you?
Pimps. What is that?
King.
Ah.
You're gonna be the king.
Well, we used to do this. I've been holidays about 2010.
Yeah. Rolling into town looking right.
Okay.
You do this a lot?
Yeah. Maybe once in a month.
Okay. So the only weird thing about these is there's no brakes on them, so I gotta make sure I kind of hold them back when I pick them up. So let's pick them up a little bit and let them get the front tires off, and then sky them, stick them on the fifth wheel. Pretty simple. I like decking trucks. Decking trailers is what we do the most when it comes to decking, and I'm not a big fan. When you're stacking the trailers, when you're taking them off, it's no big deal, but when you're putting them up, it's can be a bit sketchy sometimes, especially when you're doing that third one. The good thing about these is when you're decking trucks, you really don't have to do any work. It's all on them. They kind of take care of it all for you. I'm gonna take these gems to Honduras. For those that don't know, they put a couple lug nuts back on the front drum to keep that drum on there. Because if they don't, the drum can come off. It doesn't have a parking brake. That's still in gear. Hang on a second. Yeah, I gotta push it out. Give me a second. it down? I just hold on to it till they get their bolts on, and then I set it down and pull it for the next one. Kind of show you how these hook up. For any of you that don't know. So put a little plate in there in the fifth wheel, and it's got these U-bolts. They run right around the front. They can just grab the center of the axle, and then they just tighten them down back here. That's it. Have you ever wondered how these stacked trucks run down the road? That's how. I want them to be ready before it releases it all. And repeat. Ready? Whole lot of noise to be going nowhere. Go up. Oh, he's getting pictures. Gotta get pictures. Them brakes are stuck. These older Freightliners are nice for decking because they have those built-in toe pins. Hey, do you need me to put the toter back on the trailer or no? Okay. Okay. There she is. Decking trucks is so fast. Very minimal amount of work on my part. I like decking trucks. See if I nailed it. Yeah! I always like to play a little game to say, see if I can hit the position for the house lock first try. Let's go front passenger down. Yeah. And then we'll take front driver and rear driver and bring them in. I'm on a little bit of a hill right there, so the front one, when you bring them all the way up, it was touching still, so. If you watch the video of me towing a set of triples, or a set of doubles, this is a triple, but if you watch the video of me towing a set of doubles, I made a comment about not getting, not being able to get a hold of anybody to get my winch remote fixed. I got that solved. They're sending me a new one. Same problem that happened with Matt's on the Sideshow, our new 25 ton. We just, for some reason, it lost complete and total sync. I spent quite a few hours on the phone with the engineers at Miller, and we were not able to get it to resync. So they're gonna warranty it out and send me a new one. So hopefully next week I'll have me new winch or new unlift remote. Well, that's the end of that one, fellas and lady fellas. They're gonna get the rest of these knocked out. I'm gonna go to his house. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.